auspicious afternoon. Good to be here. I think I've always said it's always good to be part of brands, such events where you can effortlessly talk about it and you can relate a lot to it. And being a Pahadi Punjabi, there's no way I can not uphold and some really
did you say yummy dishes or did you say yummy dishes?
I'm in the mood today, aren't I?
No, that sounds good. We're going to have a yummy dishes and yummy dishes day today for you guys. So are you a foodie as well?
Of course, I'm from Chandigarh and just set up a Pahadi Punjabi, which is a deadly combination. And being an actress, I think it's one of the most toughest things for me to resist those, temptations like pakoras and French fries and nuggets and whatnot. And, really? I think you don't have to look at the plate. You look at that.
I know what you guys are doing. Photo ops later. That's not happening right now. Promise you'll get your chance. Let me finish the introduction. And we'll get that.
Right. And as you said, of course, and I have of course used Philips Empire, and it was actually introduced to me by some of my friends, my co-actors, and it's so portable. And because we've been traveling out of town, I think the last 6 months I've been traveling extensively to North. It can be carried anywhere.
Normally, are you more into a healthy diet?
I think both. They're both really important, but I can't help my genes. It's in my genes too. I cannot ignore it. So I'm glad now we're living in an age where, yes, fitness is important. I do take care of my food. I do watch it when I'm eating. It's also very important keep a check on it. The taste was important. Yeah. How can you not have food?
I always say that in Punjabi, but you don't have to compromise on. Every time we go on diet, we deprive ourselves, and any deprivation is never good. It's about eating everything and knowing when to stop.
So basically today, like I said earlier, the purpose of today is to allow us to serve our cravings without feeling guilty, and that's really important. French fries and samosas do it for me. I never know where to stop. So we all have that little dish that gets us, especially while you're shooting. The set ka khana will invariably have that fried food in there. So I suppose we should just put our foot down and say, as long as it's made in Philips air fryer, we shall come and shoot.
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay, this is what I'm thinking. Yummy, I totally agree with this. We've got a chef right here. How about we have a live demo of what we can do, a little sneak peek of what this Philips air fryer can do for us today.
Really?
After that's what I do. People strongly believe that I stand and smile, but I can't.
Well, how do we know right now? There's only one way to prove it. A live demo. Like I said, we've got the table set for you while you guys are looking at that. Alright. So, what I'm going to do is leave you, chef, to do what you do best, and I am going to return for what I do best, which is the tasting part of it. So,
I love your job.
trust me, I love eating better than cooking any day. So carry on, and I'm assisting. Let's hear it for the duo, our celebrity duo that will create magic on stage people.
As you can see, I can just start taking my eyes off of you. What are you going to do?
We're going to cook some fish cakes. For everybody who's vegetarian here, I will tell you the substitute. I think that's what I
Light the light.
If vegetarians is so just take rye, sarson, and soak it overnight, and then just put it on a wet newspaper, leave it in the dark place. What you get next is spice lemons. And you can use it for garnish and impress your friends, girlfriends, whatever.
These days, so घर वाले demand. Make it look like how it's important to me. Freshness.
So what I get to hear from when I go to events, we're just waiting for a minute. I'm very talkative when I'm cooking. So bear with me for this last thing. So when I go for events, the most common complaint women have is, sir, आप तो करके दिखा देते हैं. उसके बाद, see, the trade-off with men in a household is the fact that, अच्छा, you let me watch, I will cook this. So remote stays with the homemaker because she's watching the cooking show. So the trade-off is, you let me watch this and cook this for you, na? And in the end, she's saying, I watch your shows because I promised to cook, and they don't look the same. आप तो देश में प्लेटिंग करते हैं, हम तो करते नहीं हैं. तो आप आपके चक्कर में हमसे रिमोट खींचे जाता है. So the idea is you have to tell the homemaker that you have to leave something to do. 5% तो हमारे लिए छोड़ दीजिए. This is for all the husbands to allow their wives to watch the channels that I come on. 5% गार्निश में उनको डिस्काउंट दे दीजिए टीवी देखने दीजिए. Thank you very much. Now you please.
I don't feel like it's falling in love. Just so that.
Yeah, why don't we call free?
So free. Come on, a Punjabi fella. Attack.
Really, I'm waiting backstage thinking, मेरा नंबर कब आएगा? I'm really bored of this. But looks fabulous. The only thing I could hear backstage was do not try this at home. It sounded like you're doing some dangerous stuff out here. And the second was roasted plum. You know, so I really want to get my hands on that. Have you done the tasting yet?
No.
Oh, well, you're waiting for me.
We are much. I am much nicer.
लाइट भाई कम मत कर लाइट
Normally, I think on when it's
Actually, I don't allow anyone to click me. Even the shadis, don't click me. When I'm starting a blind.
all you guys, you sign a disclaimer right now. There will not be any shadi kala videography here, where it's zooming into her face and out again, and the second bite.
That's somehow managed.
Sorry, I don't say. It's yum. Sorry.
So if Yami is saying it's yummy.
Yummy says it's yummy.
That should be the tagline. I quite like that.
Yum,
Yeah,
yum.
yeah.
I mean, it's really yummy. Especially the sauce. It's crispy, it's soft, it's moist, and I feel like a master chef right now. It's yummy.
The only time you can shut me up is really. That's really good.
Let's prove them, not that I was just smiling.
No, that's really good. Normally, like I say that when you got